Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial on how to deposit a check using the Barclays app in 2025. Whether you're a tech-savvy user or just getting started with mobile banking, this process is quicker and more secure than ever before. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Barclays app installed on your smartphone. You'll need to be logged into your account for this to work smoothly. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in the app, look for the Deposits or Mobile Check Deposit option. It's usually right on the home screen or under the Accounts tab. Tap on it to get started. Now, here's where the fun begins. Prepare your check by signing the back and writing, "For mobile deposit only," if required. Make sure it's flat and well lit for the best results. Next, select the Deposit a Check button. The app will prompt you to take clear photos of both sides of the check. Hold your phone steadily over the check and use the app's guides to frame it perfectly. After snapping the photos, enter the check amount and choose the account you want to deposit it into. Double-check these details to avoid any errors. Once everything looks good, hit the Review button. The app will show you a summary of your deposit. If all is correct, confirm it, and you're done. You'll get a confirmation message almost instantly, and the funds should be available in a few business days. Remember, if you run into any issues like blurry photos or errors, just retry with better lighting or contact Barclays support through the app. This feature is a game changer for avoiding bank lines, so give it a try and make your banking life easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. See you next time.